This is my vitamin C that I love to use.
I put it on my cheeks. Power Shot V10.
Good morning, you guys. It is Wednesday, and I thought I would be completely better by now, but I'm still coughing. I'm not sick anymore. Took all of my antibiotics that I needed to. This is just after coughing, effects of having a viral infection. So I'm gonna try not to cough a whole lot, but I cannot guarantee anything. Regardless, I have my water. This is what I have every single morning before I have anything, before I have food or coffee. So I'm going to drink this, and we're gonna do skincare. But we have a busy day today, and I want to bring you along. We're gonna go to the gym. Today is arms and abs, and some work to do in the studio. This is my vitamin C that I love to use. Moisturizer that I use, IS Clinical. Got this from my skin girl, Georgia. When I went to get my facial, she recommended this, and it is quite good. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the serum, Clarins double serum. Now for just the lightest makeup ever. I'm gonna change up the angle.
Oh, that's fun. Pretty much doing the barest of skin. I cannot wait to not be coughing. Benetint, I put it on my cheeks to give me a little flush. This is the e.l.f. stippling brush. So I was sick for almost 10 days. This is my first arms and abs workout back at the gym. I did Monday's leg day, and I have to say it went good, but I did not push myself hardly at all. I feel like I am finally getting my energy back. And that's it. Now we're gonna head to the gym. Here is the gym fit. I changed my shirt. I just wanted something that's nice and breathable. And I was gonna bring my small little camera. I think I'm just gonna bring my phone. I don't know how good these shots are gonna be, but I'm gonna do my best. Let's go. Coffee in hand. Done. That was so good. This is the first time in like 3.5 weeks that I've been able to do my sprints. So I do like 5 minutes of 30 seconds full on run at like 7 miles per hour, and then 30 seconds off and 30 seconds on. So that's good. I feel like my lungs hopefully are clearing, and now we're gonna go home, get myself ready for the day, make a coffee. So let's go. Sometimes I feel like I can't really start my day unless the house is put together and clean, and I could really do myself some favors by doing a quick clean like the night before instead of doing it like right before I have a bunch of stuff to do. But that is my life until I get it together. Did the dishes, and I'm drying them, putting them away, and we're gonna make a coffee. Bon appetit. All right, just a couple things I have been thinking about. Number one, I've made so many mistakes with my camera. What did I get? I got a 10 to 18 millimeter. That was a mistake. This thing is so big. It's so heavy. I have this little tripod and it literally like can't handle the weight of this lens. Don't get this. Also, this camera, this is the little Canon PowerShot V10, okay? I got this because I saw Alia Zaitse's video and I've been like, how is she getting those wide angle shots that I want so badly in my videos? Because I think it looks so cool. And I saw a clip and I paused it and I'm like, that's the camera. So I got it. It's not the camera. There's like an older version of, I guess, the Canon, and it looks like this, right? But hers is like, they don't make it anymore. So like you have to buy it on eBay. I do love this camera because I feel like it's so inconspicuous when I'm out and about if I want to use it for vlogging. It is so good. Like, look at this. You can stand it up, the flip screen, you know, you can see what you're filming. The quality is good. I feel like it focuses way better than this. But with that being said, then I see people with the DJI gimbal thing. It's like a little handheld vlogging camera, but it has a gimbal. That was meant for me because I have shaky hands. Bottom line, I'm not gonna go buy one of those right now. Maybe in the future if I stay consistent with doing this. Then also, my nails. Let's talk about my nails. I am in my naked nail season. I have told myself I cannot allow myself to get an acrylic set, which is what I want, because I feel like in videos, when you have a set on and you talk with your hands, I feel like it just makes you look elegant, and I personally like the way it looks. However, I'm keeping myself to, I can only get an acrylic set after January 1st of 2026 if I'm consistent with uploading one YouTube video per week, okay? So that's my goal. Every week, I'm gonna check in and show you my naked nails. But also, you know, they're not that bad because I think about the Olsen twins and those girls don't get acrylic sets. It's classic, right? Short. I'm gonna keep them up really nice. I'm just gonna keep things real simple, real minimal, real easy. And then also, I work at a coffee shop, so I get coffee under my nails constantly. Anyway, it's all for the best, but I'm keeping myself to that. Mark my words here, okay? Not that you care. All right, let's go finish a couple paintings, shall we? So I have two. This is one I just started. This is a commission piece for a client, and this is also a commission piece for a client. This is definitely like not my normal stuff. This is what they wanted, so. Also, Tate McRae's new song, Formula One movie, Fire. It is so good. Just keep watching. It is so good. Go listen to it now. If you're still here, thank you so much for being here. This is me painting this painting, and I've sped everything up. Sometimes I feel like watching someone make a painting can be boring, just a little bit, and I don't want that. I just thought I would take a moment and talk with you guys and just see how you guys are doing. If you're even liking these videos, I'm just starting to try to be consistent on here, and sometimes it's hard to know what your audience wants. I'm hoping you like this. Yeah, see, I just can't stop dancing when I'm listening to music because music is life. It is what drives me when I paint. I love it so much. That's what those crazy movements are. There I go again. Tell me in the comments, please, what you would like to see. I see a lot of artists on YouTube, and, you know, they do show the behind the scenes of them painting. A lot of them have like a beautiful voiceover, just talking to their audience about whatever their thoughts are and things like that. I just don't know. My life, like most people, I guess, I feel is pretty mundane. I don't know. Everybody thinks their life is boring. I live on the Outer Banks. It's beautiful here. I was born and raised here. And I make art that's different from a lot of people down here. There's definitely other abstract artists. Mainly, there's a lot of beach scenes, more coastal vibe, which is wonderful and beautiful, but it's definitely not my vibe. So my stuff is different. I really hope that you like it. I would love your feedback. And another couple things about me is I love fashion and I love skincare. I love home decor and DIY projects. So you might be seeing some of that on this channel as well. I hope you liked the finished result of this commission piece. It is done. I'm gonna pop it up here on the screen. Let me know if you have any tips or suggestions or what you want to see. But again, I'm so grateful that you are here. Thank you. If you could like and subscribe to this channel, that would mean literally so much to me. I love you all. I'm gonna end this here, and I will see you next week.